Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Stacy, and today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing and try on for March 2018. If you like these unboxing and try on videos, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up for me. That lets me know that you enjoy this type of video and that I should continue doing these on the monthly basis. And if you're new here, go ahead and click subscribe down below. I would really love to have you as part of my little YouTube family here. And if you want to see how I used all of the products that are in this Boxycharm box to create this look here, then you're in the right spot. Just keep watching. First things first, when you open the box up, you see the card with the theme for the month that is vacation. And then on the back, it has the products and a little description about each product and what they retail for. And then also there is a 25% off coupon for Butter London in here. So that's cool. Okay, the first thing I see in the box is by the brand South Main. I have not heard of them before, but let's see, you get 3 eye gel packs in here. Says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. So this is what the packaging looks like. So I'm not going to try these out right now because I already have my foundation and stuff on, but I will definitely try these out. Okay, let's see what these retail for. Let's see. South Main Beauty under eye gels, $10. So cool. The next thing I see in here is by the brand Pretty Vulgar, and it is Make Them Blush, and it is in the shade 18 Hush Blush. So this is what the packaging looks like. And here is the blush. Very pretty, muted dusty rose shade. First, let's do a swatch, and then I'm going to put some on my cheeks. Okay, here is a swatch. Very pretty. It's a matte blush. Okay, so I'm just going to take my E3 by Morphe and put a little of this on my cheeks. It looks like it's going to be pretty pigmented, so let's see. Oh, yeah. Definitely pigmented. Okay, it's very pretty, but it is very pigmented. I just barely dipped my brush in there and it did both cheeks, and it's a little more intense than I would typically wear my blush, so just be very light-handed with this blush, but it is a really pretty shade. Okay, the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush retails for $26. So cool. Next thing I see in here is the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. Looks like this. Okay, here are the brushes. So it looks like we have an angled shadow brush, and a flat like shader brush, and a small smudger brush. The Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set retails for $23.15. And then there's this bad boy, the Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Some very pretty shades. There was like a whole big influencer trip and everything for this eyeshadow palette, so I am excited to see if it is really worth all the hype that has been surrounding it. I must say that just looking at these shadows, they are very pretty. So there are 12 shades. It looks like there are 5 matte shades and 7 shimmer shades. I think I'm going to go in with the orangey pinky shades because it will match my shirt. I've got orange, red, light pink, dark pink, cream, white. So I think that is the shades that we're going to go in with. Although this blue is really calling me. I'm definitely going to have to try that out in a tutorial soon. Looks so pretty. So first I'm going to do some swatcheroos of these shadows for you guys. And then I'm going to put a few of these on my eyes and see how they apply. Okay, so I'm back with some swatches for you guys. Here they are in all their glory. Look how those shimmer ones shimmer. Okay, so this one, and this one are matte. And then the other 2 matte shades is this deep brown and this deep pink shade. And all the rest have shimmer, including the black. So some very pretty swatches. They all swatched nicely. Of course, swatches don't always tell the whole story. So let's put a few of these shades on my eyes and see how they apply with brushes. Okay, so let's try taking this angled blendy brush that came in the brush set by Vintage Cosmetics. First, let's just pick up this shade here. It's called Perfect. Oh, and by the way, the palette has a nice mirror in it. I'm just going to pick this shade up to set my eye primer down. Okay, got the eyeshadow primer set down. Now let's try taking that same angled shadow brush and go in with this peachy pinky shade here called Belle. And I'm just going to run this shade through my crease as a transition shade. Okay, so that is a very pretty shade. I really like that shade for a transition. And it applied nicely, and it applied nicely with this brush, so win-win. Now I'm going to pick up a little of this shade here, this pretty dark pink shade. And this shade is BFF. And I'm going to place that a little lower in my crease and also a little on the outer corner of the eye. Okay, so that went on pretty and blended out nicely. Now I'm going to go in with this pretty pink shimmery shade here. And this shade is named Bay. Bay. I got you, Bay. So I'm just going to pick that up on my finger. There it is. Looks very pretty. And I'm just going to pop that all over my eyelid. That is a very pretty shade. Okay, so that shimmer shade is very pretty, but my look is all pink now. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of this deep chocolatey brown shade. It is called Duet, and I'm going to apply that in the very outer V just to add some depth and dimension to this very boom pink look. Okay, so this is extremely pigmented. Hopefully it'll blend out nicely because we got a very harsh brown line going on the outer corner right now. So let's attempt to blend that out, shall we? Okay, now that that is all blended out, I'm going to go back in with the shade Belle on that same angled shadow brush. I'm going to pick a little of that up, tap off the excess, and run this along the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take that small smudger brush and I'm going to take that shade BFF and I'm going to run that right under the lower lashes. Now I'm going to take the tiniest bit of that dark chocolate shade Duet and put that right on the very outer third of the lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to take this light shimmery champagne shade called Charmer, and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner for a little inner corner highlight. Okay, eyeshadow is done. What do you all think? I think it turned out pretty. The brown is so pigmented, so be careful with that shade. But yeah, I think this Boxycharm and Pure palette is definitely worth the hype. Okay, now the last thing in the box this month is by Butter London, and it is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. But this is the packaging. Okay, this mascara tube is huge. Here it is. This Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara retails for $20. Oh, and by the way, the Pure and Boxycharm eyeshadow palette has a retail value of $36. So this is what the wand looks like. Now let's try this out. So here it is, one coat on this eye and none on this eye. Okay, I really like it, but I don't know that it gave 200% thicker lashes or 314% increase in lash curl. I did already have my lashes curled, so I don't know about all that, but it is a nice mascara. Okay, now let's put some on the other eye. Okay, so mascara is on, one coat on each eye. What do we think? I like it. I like that it kept my lashes nice and separated. It didn't clump up. It's not an extremely wet formula, which I appreciate. It's not an extremely dry formula either, so I think it has a nice kind of meet you in the middle when it comes to wet and dry formula. But I like it. I really do like it. So let's do a quick review of everything in the box this month. By the way, I done the math and I did just do this in my head, so if it is incorrect, sorry. But the total box value was $115.15 and you paid $21 for it, so that's pretty awesome. And I really liked all of the products I tried. Now, I didn't try the gel eye packs, so I will have to try those out and let you guys know what I think of those. But I did like the blush. It was nice, very pigmented, go in with a light hand. And the brushes seem to be really nice. I forgot to try the shader brush, but I will be trying it out soon. And the eyeshadow palette is a big win. I really, really enjoyed the shadows that I used for this look. And also the mascara. I really liked it. So I give this month's Boxycharm box 2 thumbs up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and try on. And if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That does really help support my channel and I really do appreciate it. And go ahead and click subscribe down below. I would really love to have you all as part of my little YouTube family here. And hit that notification bell down by the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload new videos in the future. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at ASK Beauty and More. I have those linked in the description bar down below. And that's going to be all for this one, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.